Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to show for your list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you click here on notification settings, just click on it here. Then it's going, when you click on notification settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to remind me to resell my info season tickets in time. So here can you enable it for email. Then here can you enable it for app. Like you see, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.